Welcome to Top Product Picks. The best Pro Yo-Yo is probably one of the most exciting skill toys out there, offering a unique blend of challenge and fun. Whether you're a seasoned player or a complete beginner, the world of yo-yoing has something to offer. From mastering basic tricks to learning complex routines, the possibilities are endless. In this video, we'll dive deep into the world of Pro Yo-Yos, exploring their features, performance, and what makes them stand out. Number 5. MAGICYOYO V3 Responsive Unresponsive Yo-Yo. This is the MAGICYOYO V3, perfect for kids aged 8 to 12 and up. It's designed for beginners to learn the basics of yo-yo tricks. Just a gentle tug, and it returns to your hand. Made from alloy aluminum, this yo-yo is built for stable, high-speed play. The sandblasted finish looks great and is durable. In unresponsive mode, it keeps spinning for advanced tricks. The V3 comes with both responsive and unresponsive bearing options. Start with the responsive bearing for easy play, then switch to the unresponsive bearing as your skills improve. This allows you to do more advanced tricks. This yo-yo makes a fantastic gift for kids. It comes in an elegant package, perfect for birthdays or holidays. Playing with it helps improve hand-eye coordination. The package includes the V3 yo-yo, extra strings, a carrying case, a bearing removal tool, an unresponsive bearing, an axle, and a mini Allen key. Everything you need is included. The V3 comes with a responsive bearing and a specific axle. When switching to the unresponsive bearing, make sure to use the correct axle to prevent slippage. This will ensure the best performance. What we like. This V3 is perfect for young beginners. It's designed to be easy to use, with a responsive bearing that makes it simple to get started. Plus, you can switch to an unresponsive bearing as your skills grow. If you're looking for a yo-yo that can grow with you, this is a great choice. What people say. The weight distribution is perfect for string tricks. The responsive bearing is great for learning the basics. The design is sleek and modern. Number 4. MAGICYOYO V3, Responsive and Unresponsive Yo-Yo. Introducing the MAGICYOYO V3, perfect for beginners. This responsive yo-yo is easy to use, a gentle tug brings it right back. It's a great way to learn and have fun. The V3 is more than just a beginner yo-yo. It can be switched to an unresponsive yo-yo for advanced play. You can customize it to fit your skill level. Made from durable aluminum 6061, this yo-yo offers excellent stability. The sandblasted finish ensures it looks great and lasts. It's ideal for both kids and adults. Looking for a thoughtful gift? This yo-yo is perfect for kids, adults, and families. It enhances coordination and keeps people engaged in a fun, active way. The MAGICYOYO V3 package includes the yo-yo, extra strings, a storage case, a bearing removal tool, a KK bearing, a long axle, and a mini Allen key. Everything you need is included. What we like. The V3 is an excellent choice for those just starting out. It's easy to control and comes back to your hand with a simple tug. The dual functionality allows it to grow with your skill. If you're a beginner looking for a yo-yo that can do it all, consider this one. What people say. It comes with 2 yo-yos for $26. It also comes with a case, 10 yo-yo strings, upgradable bearings that change the yo-yo to an unresponsive style where you'll have to learn the technique to return the yo-yo to your hand, instead of it coming back up with a flick of the wrist. Also, included with the bearings is a tool specifically made for removing and installing the bearings and axles. The amount of spin you can get and the momentum are both necessary for throwing some really complex tricks. It comes with plenty of extra strings plus all the tools you need to switch between responsive and unresponsive modes. Number 3. MAGICYOYO K1 Responsive Yo-Yo for Kids. This is a responsive yo-yo, perfect for beginners. It will come back to your hand with a simple tug. It's great for learning basic tricks. This yo-yo features a dual-purpose design. It comes with a responsive bearing for easy return and can be switched to an unresponsive bearing for more advanced tricks. This allows you to learn different styles. The K1 is designed for fun and balance. It's equipped with hub stacks, making it easy to perform finger spin tricks. You can do simple tricks like around the world. Made from durable ABS plastic, this yo-yo is built to last. It's the ideal toy for kids and is recommended for daily practice or competition. It's a nice size and weight, easy to handle. The package includes everything you need to get started. You'll receive a yo-yo glove, a storage bag, 12 replacement strings, and an instruction manual. It's the best gift for beginners. If the string gets stuck, don't worry. Simply remove the string, check the ball, and reattach the string properly. If you have any problems, please contact us for professional service. What we like. The K1 features hub stacks, allowing for cool finger spin tricks. It's made of durable plastic, perfect for kids. If you like to do finger spins, this is the yo-yo for you. What people say. The weight distribution is perfect for string tricks. The responsiveness is great for beginners. The design is sleek and modern. Number 2. MAGICYOYO N11 Professional Unresponsive Yo-Yo. This is the MAGICYOYO N11, a professional-grade unresponsive yo-yo. It's designed for intermediate to advanced players looking for a durable and stylish yo-yo to perform string tricks. The N11 uses a professional concave bearing, meaning you'll need to perform a bind to get it to return. This yo-yo is perfect for 1A, 3A, and 5A style tricks. You can find tutorials online to learn the tricks. The N11 features detachable weight rings for longer spin times. Its U-shaped design makes it stylish and attractive. The yo-yo is built to last and provide hours of fun. To maintain optimal performance, lubricate the bearing after about 15 minutes of use. This will extend the bearing's life and improve both spin and response times. You can find yo-yo bearing lubricant online. This yo-yo is great for intermediate, expert, and advanced players. It comes with a bag, glove, 12 strings, and a responsive bearing kit. If you're new to yo-yos, be sure to read the instructions first. What we like. The N11 is designed for intermediate and advanced players. It requires a bind to return, allowing for more complex tricks. If you're looking to take your yo-yo skills to the next level, this is a great option. What people say. The yo-yo is of really great quality, it is metal, so stand clear when your kid is practicing. It also comes with a whole bunch of extra string which will be useful if your yo-yoer is prone to making knots whilst learning tricks. It's a quality yo-yo and every kid that loves unresponsive yo-yos will enjoy having this one. Number 1. MAGICYOYO K2 Responsive Yo-Yo for Beginners. This is the MAGICYOYO K2 Plus Crystal, a top recommendation for beginners. It's perfect for learning basic string tricks. A gentle tug on the string is all it takes for it to return to your hand. The K2 is a responsive yo-yo out of the box, but it's also designed for advanced play. You can easily switch to the included unresponsive bearing when you're ready for more complex tricks. This gives you great value. Made from high-quality PC, this yo-yo is wear-resistant and safe for kids. The crystal color is beautiful. It's a durable and sturdy choice, making it an ideal gift. The package includes the K2 yo-yo, 6 strings, a bag, a bearing removal tool, an unresponsive bearing, and an axle. It has everything you need to get started and keep playing. If the yo-yo doesn't return easily in responsive mode, add lubricating oil to the bearing. Remember, in unresponsive mode, you'll need to learn a bind trick to bring it back. What we like. The K2 is a great choice for beginners, with a responsive mode for easy learning. It also includes an unresponsive bearing for advanced play. If you're looking for a yo-yo that can grow with you, this is a great choice. What people say. The weight distribution is perfect for string tricks. The responsive bearing is great for learning the basics. The design is sleek and modern. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.